Hey YouTube, I just got this box in from evike.com. It's an Evike unboxing. Let's get my craft knife out. Okay. Hold on, I put this down. Cool from the sides. Alright, this back up. Okay. Just got really crappy video. Just trying to focus in. Alright. Alright, it's open. Put my knife back. Okay, got it right there. Some pretty paper. Okay. Yes. Cause clean this up. This. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay. Some crap stuck on my finger. Oh well. Okay. This is Matrix 2.2s. I think it's 1,000. Okay, got one package of that. And then got my GNP battery. It's a 9.6 600 milliamp V-shaped battery. So I got that. I think that's it. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Got battery caution paper. Don't need that. See, I got 17% off my next order. It's pretty good. Put that over here. Okay. Now, got a calendar, airsoft calendar. Pretty cool. Okay. This is just payment thing. Put that over there. Another package thing. And so, ooh, we got black keys here. 0.2s, Matrix, 1,000. .2s. Oh, 0.2s. Same thing, and I'm pretty sure that's it for this. Yep, nothing else in there. Okay, now take this out of the box real quick. So hold on. Okay, get the box out. Put everything in there. Okay, so here's the box. Open it again. Okay, got that side. I think that's it. Oh. Okay. Alright, that opens. Hold on another second. Put that in there. Oh, the box. Who cares? It's taking too long. This stupid box. I'm just gonna cut down the middle. Oh, dang. Pain in the butt. Alright, moment of truth. Oh yeah, oh wow. Came with a battery. What is this? I did not know it came with a battery. Would you look at that? I don't know where this goes. It goes right here. Comes with a stupid wall charger too. Not mentioned that in the description. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is a metal flash hider. Feels metal. It's cold. Okay. I got this. It's A&K M249. Box mag 2500. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's it. Back in there. Okay, and then we got a bolt looking thing. No idea where that goes. Well, that's kind of disappointing. This came up with some scratches. Some major scratching right there. I'm gonna put this down to get this thing out. He's like about the scratching. That is a bit of a problem. Okay, I'll start from. Okay, it's pretty heavy. Working charging handle. Alright. Okay. Well, This is my first order from e-Vike, and it's kind of disappointing because there is some minor scratching up here, some scratching right there, and you have a lot of scratching over here by the buttstock. I guess it looks okay. But call e-Vike about that. But that's pretty disappointing for my first thing from e-Vike. The gun comes a little scratched up. So, yeah. I'll be shooting a video on this. Alright, out YouTube.